Which element has the symbol Ca? Calcium. Which metal rusts easily? Iron. Which element has symbol K? Potassium. Which gas is produced during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Which element has symbol Ca? Calcium. Which gas is toxic and colorless? Carbon monoxide. What is the chemical formula of methane? CH4. Which gas is used in welding? Acetylene. Which metal is used in jewelry? Gold. Which compound is ionic? NaCl. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Which element is found in diamonds? Carbon. Which acid is found in car batteries? Sulfuric acid. Which compound forms rust with iron? Oxygen. Which gas has the lowest molar mass? Hydrogen. Which gas makes bread rise? Carbon dioxide. Which element forms diamonds? Carbon. Which element burns with bright light? Magnesium. Which gas causes the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. Which element is used in glass? Silicon. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? O2. Which gas is colorless? Hydrogen. Which element forms CO2? Carbon. Which element is used in computer chips? Silicon. Which gas protects Earth from UV radiation? Ozone. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. Which element has the highest ionization energy? Helium. Which element forms water? Hydrogen. What is the formula of hydrogen peroxide? H2O2. Which element is most electronegative after fluorine? Oxygen. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Fi. What gas is produced when metal reacts with acid? Hydrogen. Which gas is used in refrigerators? Freon. Which element is used in thermometers? Mercury. Which metal is used in electrical wires? Copper. Which metal is very soft? Sodium. Which gas has the formula O2? Oxygen. Which acid is used in batteries? Sulfuric acid. Which element is used in fertilizers? Nitrogen. What is the oxidation number of oxygen in H2O? -2. Which gas is produced when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid? Hydrogen. Which gas is required for combustion? Oxygen. Which element is used in fertilizers? Phosphorus. Which element has symbol Br? Bromine. Which gas is toxic and colorless? Carbon monoxide. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. Which metal is magnetic? Iron. Which gas causes the greenhouse effect most? Carbon dioxide. Which metal is strongest? Iron. Which acid is strong? HCl.